Hello and welcome to my channel Crazy About Football. And what a performance from Tottenham and what a result for them. 2-0 to Man City. Man City was at their home, but still Tottenham totally outperformed them. Very good defensively, and when they attacked, they looked threatening. They looked threatening at the counter, but they did not just sit back. They were pressing from the front, and it was a masterclass from Thomas Frank. I already told you I like the coach. I would like him at United, but Tottenham has got it, and they will really benefit from him. I think it was a total masterclass. He outclassed Pep. When he was at Brentford, he also beat Man City, but now he's at Tottenham, and what a performance! 2-0. They haven't conceded from both of their games. They look very good defensively, and when they attack, they look dangerous. They look, they are very well coached defensively also, and in attacking patterns also, they are very well coached. But for Pep, it was a disappointing performance. As I already told you, that Man City will try to outscore teams this campaign because they are not very good defensively, and they were not able to score goals today. That's why they lost the game. They were not able to solve the mystery of Tottenham, and that's why they lost. Pep had this idea that they will outscore the teams, but they were not creative enough today. So big concerns for Pep Guardiola, but what an amazing day for Tottenham and their fans, because they lost Eze to Arsenal. So they were scratching their head. They were totally angry at Tottenham owners, Daniel Levy, and but Thomas Frank had produced a very good result for them. And I think I would request Daniel Levy to buy some players for Thomas Frank, because if he can spend some money on very good players, Thomas Frank can take them to great places, because he's very astute. He's very tactically astute coach, and he will set them very well. He does not park the bus. He's very balanced. Defensively, they are very good. Attacking wise, they are very good. What a result for Tottenham. Tottenham is on the rise, and I think they will have a very good season under Thomas Frank. But for Daniel Levy, he should buy Tottenham some players, then they can have a very good season, even a great season also. So that's it. More games coming up. Stay tuned for more videos.